This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a headlight on a Kia Optima. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have the correct replacement bulb for your specific model. Always park your car on a level surface and turn off the engine completely before starting any work. This ensures your safety and proper access. Now, let's get to removing the old headlight. You'll need to locate and remove the retaining bolts that hold the headlight assembly in place. Once those are out, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wires. Then, you can carefully pull the entire headlight assembly out of its housing. With the assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Once the new bulb is in place, reconnect the electrical connector. Before reassembling everything, briefly test the new headlight to ensure it works. To finish up, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position. Make sure it's seated securely before reinstalling all the retaining bolts. Tighten them firmly, but don't over-tighten. Double-check that everything is secure and your new headlight is working perfectly. For more great tips and deals, including a link for the Owala water bottle, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.